Tell me this isn't cool. This is my friend's house, and this is his crawl space. Huge crawl space. He wanted a washing machine and a dryer, so everything's up to code except for the height of this and studor vent. But what we're doing, so here's the drain. See the Y right there? We're going to tie this drain in to that 4-inch, and then we're going to run the water lines to right here with Uponor, and then this is gas. On the other side is a water heater. We're going to unthread this, put a T here, and then run another line up and across, and then he's actually going to put the washer and dryer right here. So basically he's going to put a hole, I guess, or something in this door, and all the cables, or not cables, but flex hose and washing machine hose, and the hoses for the hot and cold, just going to go out the door right here. Tell me this isn't cool. Diablo blades are way better than the torch blades, to be honest with you. Okay, got the heavy duty know-how bands on. We got the Y coming in, and then we just gotta, that light is really bright, but we're just gonna tie it in right there. We're at the limit here. Just enough slope. It's probably a little more than 1/8 of an inch of pitch, but it's good. It's looking steady. It's on there, you know. So now we'll run the water lines here. They got them marked for us. So let's go shut the water off. We'll do that. I totally forgot to measure this after I cut it and pressed it. Whatever. Close enough, right? All right, now let's do these. All right. What up? It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. I had limited supplies. I did half of this without my tools. but it works. It's Mickey Moused. Well, I shouldn't say Mickey Moused. I mean, it's pretty much up to code. Aside from that being, I think that's actually 30 inches off the ground. But I got plenty of slope here. Supported the pipe. No leaks. Yeah, that's not code in California, but hey, the owner of this said, I don't care. I want a washing machine box right here, so that's what we did. It looks good. Gotta love Uponor, man. It's so easy to work with.